เจ้าบัวเอาบัวไม่มาสวนนั้น
This steps forward. He goes for goal to the near post and Kamara saves it for Kotoko. It's a corner for Dreams. Kamara with a reflex save that denies Dreams the opening goal.
That was better from Adade. He knew he made a mistake with the first free kick. Brilliant drive in there. Nearly catch.
With Esso scoring that goal for Dreams. Amwa's delivery. Kwame Poku! Asante Kotoko finally have the opening goal. It is Kwame Opoku coming off the bench to replace Morifin Donzo. Has put the Porcupines in the lead. It's Asante Kotoko 1. Dreams 0. Not the cleanest of hits, but who cares? The Porcupines in the lead here at the Baba Yara Stadium with 10 more minutes to go. It's Kotoko 1. Dreams 0. Kwame Opoku the scorer.
A poacher's dream, always finding yourself in the right position. The ricochet of Yarrow and his man, very much unfortunate between himself and Kevin Ahiableh. A drop to Kwame Opoku.